So, right now we have our first look related to the Google Pixel 9. First up, let's talk about the design. The Pixel 9 come with a different design than expected, with a sleeker look, a slightly wider and shorter body, and a thinner profile. And if we talking about the display, the Pixel 9a come with a 6.2-inch display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, full HD plus resolution, and slightly thicker bezels. And if we talking about the chipset Pixel 9, it come with a Tensor G4 chipset. The phone come with two variant 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128/256 gigabytes storage. And if we talking about the camera, Pixel 9a come with a dual camera. The primary camera might be 64 megapixel and the ultra wide angle camera might be 13 megapixel. And if we talking about the battery capacity of the phone is around 4,700 milliamp hours, and unfortunately, the phone is no support fast charging. And if we talking about the software, Pixel 9a will launch with Android 15. And if we talking about the launch date of the phone is expected to launch in mid-March. And if we talking about the design renders and hands-on videos, you've created concept renders and videos showcasing the phone's design. So if you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe